Hey guys, welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to remove Messenger accounts. So, to do this, first off, just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, guys, over here on your Messenger application, in order for you to see the list of all of your accounts that you have logged in into your app, select the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the top, you should be able to see your name, and you will have a subtopic of switch profile. So go ahead and tap on switch profile at the top over here, and now you should be able to see all of your accounts that you have. And to delete it, you can just simply hold it, and you will have the delete icon pop up on the right side of the screen. And you just simply tap on the delete icon, and from here, it will tell you that if you are sure that you want to remove this account, and you can just simply tap on remove to proceed with this process, and you should be able to remove accounts, and you can do the same thing with the others as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.